Now we have Abhishek sir also with us. So you know me, I am
Yes, sir. Good
former
afternoon.
former HR and recruiter at TCS. Abhishek sir is a former technical.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we both will
Yes,
take
sir.
the
Yes.
interview and it will be like a
Yes,
TCS
sir.
interview. So now we will be little
Yes,
serious.
sir.
So
Yes,
uh,
sir. Yes.
let's start with your introduction. So tell
Yes,
us
sir.
about yourself.
Yes, yes, sir. Firstly, sir, I'm very excited and enthusiastic to introduce myself to the company that I have dreamed to work for. And today is the day that I got to give the interview to the TCS company, and it's very unbelievable and amazing. And thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Coming to myself, I am Sangmesh. I am from Gadag, Karnataka. I am currently graduated with Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Science and Engineering specialization from Tondadara College of Engineering, Gadag, Karnataka. Coming to my internships, I have done two amazing internships in this academic journey, and one is short-term internship. It is completed on my fifth sem, and it's on the topic AML using Python. Here, I learned basic concepts of the AML and basic concepts of Python and the scientific and mathematical equations behind the AML models. Coming to my second internships, I completed recently on my seventh sem, and it's long-term internships, and I dive deeper into the AML, and here I put my hands on real world data sets and the model buildings, and here I not only learned the technical skills, I also learned the soft skills that's offered by the Wadhwani Foundations. And coming to my certifications, I have two internship certifications as I mentioned, and one is the certification is from the PMKY Skill Up Government of India, because the long term internship is offered by them, and I have one IBM certificate for completing the assignments given by IBM in the long-term internship, and I have side certifications for attending the Python boot camps and workshops. And coming to my projects, I have done 3 to 4 projects from scratch, and recently I have done my final project, that is salary and job prediction with relevant companies for students and technical staff using ML. And coming to my skills, I am proficient in recent technologies like AIML, data science, and data analytics, and I am very pretty well in Python programming language. That's it, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, I see
Yes,
that you have worked on AI/ML, right? You did some projects as well,
yes,
correct?
sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you explain AI and ML in simplest language so that any layman can
Yes,
also
sir.
understand? See,
Yes, sir. For sure.
imagine that I am the watchman of your company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to explain me what is
Yes.
AI. So explain me.
Yes, yes, sir. Uh, Coming to AI, AI is the in simple words, it is the mimic of the human behavior. Like it will what the human is doing in the past days, it's doing by AI now. Like example, the human is predicting the houses based on the area and the cities. Now the models are doing by getting trained in past data, like taking the square foots and the area and the city name. Like this, the models are doing now. And ML is the subset of AI. It will learn to mimic the human behavior by the statistical data, which is in the form of the numericals and like that. And that is said further, it's the deep learning and the now the generative AI came, and these are also subset of AI.
Okay. What is the difference between AI and
Yes.
Gen AI?
Yes, sir. AI is the what, sir? Generative AI is also come under the AI, and all the machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI come under the AI, and it's vast. And the generative AI is nothing but in the name only we can able to know that it will generate something, like it will generate images, videos, and audios, and even texts based on the text given by the users by using NLP techniques, like example chat GPT, and the some of the now DAL A video image processing models like this.
All right, I got it. What is the full form of GPT?
Uh, GPT, Gent, last means transformers, guys, and
All right, no problem.
I'm not aware of this.
Okay, no problem. Transformer was right, by the way.
Yes,
So Abhishek, over
yes,
to you for the technical assessment, then I will take up.
Okay. First of all, can you tell me, are you opting for which cadre?
Sorry, sir.
For
He
which
he's
cadre
from
did
Ninja,
you enter?
Ninja,
Like
Abhishek
Ninja.
Ninja.
Yes, Ninja, sir. Ninja, sir.
Ninja. Okay. In
Yes,
your
sir.
CV, you have mentioned a lot about Python and everything. I also went and checked your GitHub for your spam
Yes,
detector project. I'll start
yes,
with
sir.
the first question on your project. In the spam detector,
Yes, sir.
I can see that you have three simple sample outputs you have given. One is where the SMS is, "Hey buddy, how are you? I hope you are doing well," something like that, and this
Yes,
message
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
not
Yes,
classified as spam.
yes,
On the
yes,
other
sir.
hand,
Yes,
where there is some message like 10,000 rupees or something or jackpot, it is considered as spam.
yes, sir.
Now tell me how will your machine learning code, if I send a message SMS, let's say I'm your friend, I send a SMS, for example, can you owe me 10,000 rupees, can you lend me 10,000 rupees, will it be classified as spam or not as spam?
Uh, I think it's classified as ham, sir. It means not spam, because our data is about the spam messages. Like example, the you own 10,000 rupees, and this that much amount is credited to your account, and some of the jackpots like keywords. And here send me is not nothing but the spam mode. So in our data set, it's contained at the ham, sir. Like send me the notebook like this. These are the some ham messages. So according to me, it's considered as the ham, sir.
What are the keywords you have specified as spam? Means what keywords will be there in message so that it will be classified as spam?
It's keyword means we have provided the full text, sir. In text, the some keywords are like the rupees credited and jackpot and some of the spam messages like you own something and like this daily whatever we get the messages. These are some keywords, sir. That's classified as spam, and overall the data set contains the hams.
So let's say I get a SMS saying that your account is credited with a salary of XYZ amount. So how will you
Yes.
distinguish that it's a spam or not a spam?
It's lacked in this, sir. I checked 2 days ago. It considered spam, sir, because of the that credited. So it's lack there, sir.
Yeah, so can you tell me there are already some apps or even on Android or even on Google, they are able to
Yes,
classify
yes,
it them as spam and not spam, even though the amount is mentioned there. So
yes, sir.
have you ever researched at how exactly they are doing that? How are they able to know that which one is spam or not?
I am not researcher because it's the simple project I developed, sir, in my internship. And in my final project, the salary and the job prediction with relevant companies, I researched this project and done with the scratch. And in spam detection, I not go into deeper search.
Okay, one last question based on your project. You have
Yes, sir.
586 sample messages in which you have categorized as ham and spam. I'm seeing your this
Yes,
panda library, spam domain panda library in
yes,
your GitHub. So,
yes,
how
yes,
did you get this 5,586 message? Did you obtain it from somewhere, or like, what is the source of this?
yes, sir. I got it from the internship team, sir, when I doing internship, and they got it from some website like calculate.com, sir.
Okay,
There they found that and they sent to me, and I started building that project, sir.
okay. So you have done Python
Yes,
basic to advanced course as well, of 45-day intensive
yes, sir.
training.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
I will start with a simple question, then we'll go further. Can you tell me how
Yes.
many variables you will need, minimum variables you will need to reverse a string in Python?
Yes, sir. There are multiple ways to reverse a string. One is directly only getting one variable, like storing the not reverse like user input, and after that I can directly print the str and square bracket that colon colon minus one. This will directly produce the reverse string. And another method is storing the empty string. This will need the two variables. One is the user input and second is the empty string. I will iterate through the for loop, and after that I will concatenate between the those two strings. I plus something new variable that I reverse the string at.
Which one will be faster out of these two?
Faster is I think slicing, sir, because it's not using the for loops and another new variable. So I think the slicing is very fast.
In linear regression, have you gone through R square method?
R square, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Can you
used
tell me
for the
about it?
model. Yes, sir. In SQLR, after training the model, we can test the model dot score x text comma y test it seems. After doing this, we get the R square. It's so that the predicted scores of the model are not only predicting the average score, it's also predicting the nearer values to the actual values. It's so that, and it is 90 above 90 or above 80 means it's good model, and it's not predicting the average value of the data set. It's also predicting nearer value of the approximately the actual values. And if it's under 70 or 60 means it is only predicting the average values, and its value is in between 0 and 1.
Okay.
Yes.
The projects that you have done, all the 4 projects. So out of these
Yes,
4 projects, you have worked on backend or any front end as well, apart from this.
Uh, in 3 projects, sir. One is salary and job prediction with relevant company, spam detection, and data analytics on the Google Play Store. These 3 done by me, sir, from scratch. I only built front end from Streamlit and back end also from Streamlit because it's very easy framework and the not complex framework for developing ML models. And so, sir, I used backend and front end both in the Streamlit only.
You have also used OpenCV. In which of these projects you have used OpenCV?
In this not, sir, in my project called the number plate recognition, there I used, sir, for reading the images data by using numpys like this. I used, sir, in my 6M
So
mini
why
project.
didn't you mention it here in your project section?
No, sir, it means it's very not that much complex project, sir. So it's for uh, not mentioning that is okay, sir.
Okay. So in tools, you have mentioned Visual Studio Code, Jupyter, and Google Colab as well as Anaconda. And as I'm
Yes,
able
sir.
to observe that those 4 projects that you have mentioned, I think
Yes, sir.
this tools is not used in any of this. So I believe these all
Yes, sir.
tools are used in a 6M. Am I right? Or other projects that are not
Uh,
mentioned?
yes, in my 6M for automate number plate recognition, we use the Jupyter notebook in this platform, in Jupyter notebook platform. And for all these projects, I used Jupyter notebook in Visual Studio only, sir. And because it's gives the extension of using the Jupyter notebook, I used in Visual Studio Code only for better software developer. So I use this, and Anaconda is the platform that doesn't need Python installation. So in my 6M for building this project, I used that platform with the Jupyter. And Google Colab in my internship I used, sir, because for sharing some of the files with my friends, I use Google Colab.
Okay. In Python, can you tell me what is difference in is and double equal?
Yes, sir. Is used for the two variable is pointing to the same memory location in the Python memory, sir. Like they both are having the common objects. Like A is B means Python will see that A and B are as the same object only, like this. And is equal to is used for comparing two values. Even though they are different objects, it will give the values because they two are true means.
You have also worked on matplotlib, right? So in mat,
Yes,
if
sir.
you are able to recall, there is a syntax plt.plot and there is another
Yes, sir.
syntax plt.scatter. So can you
Yes,
differentiate
sir.
between?
Yes, sir. PLT.plot is used for continuous values, like connecting the all the data points in the graphs. Like means it's used for the cricket analysis. Like they will show us this much is there in this much, or like connecting all the data points in that graph, like what the x and y values corresponds to. And PLT dot scatter is used for the scattering process. Like it's mainly used for the knowing the difference between the predicted values of model to actual values in the data set. Like putting the scatter plot on the x and y axis means it will only put 1 point, sir. Like it will put the model predicted 1 point, and in between wherever the actual value is, there will put 1 point, and further whatever the range we are mentioning, it will put like that, sir.
Let's say in my matplotlib, I want to plot. It has a dimension in inches, height and width. So, what is the syntax you will use for that to give the dimension?
Uh, View dimension it's plt dot figures, I think, sir. Plt dot in parentheses we should use the figure size, whatever the height and width we are going to give, we can
Can
use.
you tell me the exact syntax of figure size or figure, whatever you have mentioned?
We should first
Figure
import it
size.
from the.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's we should import it from the matplotlib, import the plot, sir, as plt for the better is used, and plt dot I think figure size in parentheses it will take one argument like figure size is equal to height. Firstly, we should keep the width, and after that we can contain the heights.
And what is the unit of that figure size? Is it in centimeters? Can we change it if we want to? Or we have to convert it in some unit and then mention there?
It's mainly on centimeters, I think, and
Okay.
converting it's we are able to convert it, sir. But I didn't work on converting that, sir. So
Okay, no problem.
yes.
So, Saksham, I think I am done with my technical questions. If you want to add anything from your side technically.
Yes, I am here only. Just a moment. Okay, so Sanmesh, tell me what are your hobbies and what you do into extracurricular?
Yes, sir. My hobbies are I will read some of the spirituality books, and I will watch the cricket,
Spirituality
sir.
books.
Even to it's highlights. Yes, sir.
Which book you read last?
I read the books like Bhagavad Gita and some of the another
Okay,
spirituality books
give
like
me give me
the
two
Life
teaching
Karna.
give give me two teachings from Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, sir. Like I learned that this time is not permanent; it will pass. Like if we have the happiness, means we should enjoy that moment, and if we have the sadness, means we should enjoy that moment. And it's not the permanent time. And one more teaching is about the Krishna, and it's about we should do war. It can be whatever thing if we want to protect our dharma and protect our good work. So we should fight through the opposite to the bad bad work, sir.
All right. How many chapters are there in Bhagavad Gita?
Uh, I'm not that much of it.
Okay. Apart from book reading, what do you do?
I will watch the cricket highlights, sir, and I used to play cricket with Saturday and Sunday when I free. And even to that, sir, highlights in my home there is the YouTube connecting TV, sir. So I will connect to network, and I will operate YouTube there, and I will show the highlights for all over the day in cricket,
Acha, so you like
watching it
cricket?
again and again. When which one?
You like cricket, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now tell
Yes,
me
sir.
how you can use AI in cricket.
Yes, sir. In AI, we used to predict the score like in IPL, they will show us like in 6 over this much run, they will able to score means in 20 overs, this much runs that team is going to
That is
score.
statistics. I'm talking about AI.
Yes,
That is Dream
AI
11, by
is
the way. What is that?
Dream 11, sir.
No, Dream 11.
No,
Dream
that is
11.
also same, right? You have to predict that statistic. Okay, in this over this much will be made and all.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
does that use
No,
AI or like what is the model you are able to think about?
I think that they use some AIs for future prediction, like win prediction. They will mention as like this team is going to win this percentage, like based on the current conditions. And another is the height and the some no ball graphics are used with AI. Like in this
Okay.
IPL, they shown us like yes.
Okay. So can you guess who will win the match from AI?
Sorry, sir.
Can you guess who will win the match from AI?
Yes, based on the past data and the that tournament data, I can guess, sir. Training my model.
It is basis data, right? Data forecasting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Data forecast.
Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses, Sanmesh?
Yes, my strengths are I am very hardworking, so dedicated. Like means if it's the works is going to done in this time, means it should be done, sir. And I will don't care about my mates that they are working or not. But I want to finish my work. That's sir. And I am the leader, sir. And because I led the 2 to 3 projects, even though my teammates are not that good in the project building, and I will learn it, sir. Now I am learning the SQL, and further I will learn the Java,
So
sir.
you said you
For I
have
have
led
the
a
learning attitude.
team, but your team members are not good, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So how did you manage that situation?
yes, sir. I managed. I came across a lot of complexity in this for the last sem projects, last year project. Those people are not doing any reports and the presentation, even though they are not good at project. And I will convey them with lot of ways, and they are not that much good, sir. So I work about the a lot of hours in the 1 to 2 months, and I covered all from single-handedly, sir, in this situation. Because conveying to them is our energy waste, because of that people. So I'm not care about that people, sir.
Then you should know how to motivate them. Not taking
Yes,
work
sir. I
from them
motivate.
is not. Hmm.
No, sir. I motivate, and I told a lot. I also requested, sir, but they are not good in the academic, and they are my fellow friends only, sir. So they are going to have the back papers. So I only single-handedly this projects.
So who made the group? It was made randomly, or you have chosen to be made the group?
No, sir. All are filled with four members, sir. I only one left. Even though I decided to do single-handedly, but they joined my group because they are 3 people. So they joined me, sir.
Okay.
Lastly, because none of the groups are held.
What do you know about TCS?
Yes, sir. TCS is the multinational company, and it's the service-based company. It's construct. It's came. It is the first company that's constructed in India for the Tata groups, and the its first founder is the founder. First CEO is the Akir Chand Kohli, it seems, and it's um, constructed in the 1968, and
Who is the
it's
CEO?
a
Who
top
is
leading
this?
company.
Who is the CEO of TCS
K. Kritivasan.
and chairman?
It's Natarajan Chandrasekharan, sir.
Okay. You could not mention your weakness. What are your weakness?
Yes, my weakness is sometimes I'm very lazy, sir. When it came to getting up and ready, punctuality it seems, and I
You
am slight 5 to 10 minutes late, sir,
no,
for college and this
but
and
you said you are hardworking, and you also mentioned that you are good at time management. Then how come you are lazy?
no, sir. It seems when I didn't get the enough sleep, I am slightly that in that area. I'm going to be lazy, sir. That when I gonna work for late hours, like 2 to 3 3 a.m. night. So in that area, I will like, sir, to get up in morning, and I will manage, sir, for upcoming days. I will go to gym, and I will manage this issue, sir.
Chalo. Okay, I am done also. So Abhishek, you can give the technical feedback, then I will give my feedback.
Technically, Sangamesh, I think you are good. You are able to answer most of the questions that I asked, even for basic to advanced. I will try doing that. So I don't find
Yes,
anything in technical, but again, interviews are always unpredictable. We never know what they can
yes,
ask.
sir. Yes,
But
sir.
for
Yes, sir.
me, you seem well prepared. So
Yes, sir.
that will probably feedback from me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Sanmesh, to me also you look fine. You were able to answer most of the question.
Yes,
Only thing is that
yes, sir.
the teamwork thing doesn't going well because we always have
Yes, sir.
some team members that are not very motivated and they don't do any work.
Yes, sir.
As a leader, we
Yes, sir.
cannot
Yes,
just bypass them and do our work. As a leader, we need to
yes, sir.
understand how we can motivate them, and that is the role of a leader,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So don't say
yes,
that
yes, yes,
they
sir.
have not done anything because if as a leader
Yes,
you don't give credit to your team members, then you are not a leader. A true leader is the one who
yes,
always
sir.
gives
Yes,
credit to the team. Okay, so be
yes, sir.
mindful in
Yes, sir.
answering this question. Correct?
Yes,
And
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah, I think rest you were on the spot spot. I must say, you know, I think there are high chances that you will clear the interview. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Thanks.
Any questions you have for us?
Sir, yes, sir. In NQT, I have solved that I written the logic of one code, sir, in examination. And due to compiler issue, I didn't clear that test cases, sir, in Python. And that code I came to home and I ran it in my laptop means it has successfully run, sir, and it cleared all public cases. So this I mentioned in the interview, like it means they will consider, sir, like
No, no,
for
no. There is
upgradation after
no,
joining TCS.
there is no option of upgradation uh,
Yes, sir.
in from Ninja to digital. There is an option of
Yes, sir.
degradation.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
what
Yes.
you
Yes,
are
sir.
saying, it is a common problem with many students, right?
Yes,
So
sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
we cannot now defend it. So, but
Yes, sir.
after
Yes.
joining TCS, you can give some internal exam and you can upgrade from Ninja to digital. So, from
Yes,
internal
sir.
exam
Yes.
after joining TCS, you can do that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Did you apply for Cognizant
Also,
also?
Yes, I applied, sir, but I missed out the last technical round, sir. Like when it's come to the Java, sir, I missed out. Like it's some of the power issues. I missed out that rounds.
Okay. Yes, Abhishek, go
Sangamesh,
ahead.
I want to add something. The reason you are saying that you tried running the same code, it didn't work on TCS compiler and it ran on your home. There can be two possible reasons.
Yes, sir.
First thing is public test cases that you would be able to see even in your exam. There might be some
Yes,
hidden
sir.
test cases your code might not have passed that. And
Yes, sir.
if you consider the range, they might have given some range in your question in your.
Yes, sir.
So you should have tested based on that. Second, there is one more
Yes, sir.
option that they might have restriction on using some library or import or something like that, because when you are coding on
Yes,
your
sir.
own compiler, you can import or use any library. In
Yes,
TCS,
sir.
they generally in their written assessment they prefer simple code and logic with using less and less built-in function as well as library. So that
Yes,
can
sir.
be the
Yes.
reason. Again, as Saksham said, once you join TCS, you will definitely have a
Yes.
chance to upgrade yourself, and it should
Yes, sir.
not
Yes.
take a very long time. And I think you will
Yes,
be
sir.
able
Yes.
to crack there as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm trying for that only, sir, for upgradation.
Yeah, you can join and then upgrade, but not now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
Uh, like in one semester the SGPA is about less than 6, or it will affect
Chalega.
that
No,
in
that's
my
okay. Overall,
point.
overall, it should be more
Yes.
than 6.
Overall, it's about around 7.8, sir.
Then fine, no problem.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, Sanmesh.
Yes, sir.
So, is it fine with you if you can upload this on YouTube for others learning? Or are you comfortable?
Yes, sir, for sure. Yes, sir, for sure. Sure, uploads.
Perfect.
Yes,
Okay, thank you so
yes,
much,
sir.
Sanmesh. All the best. We are very sure that you will get
Yes,
selected.
sir.
Believe in this and give your interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, I believe,
All
sir.
right.
Have a nice day, sir.
Same to you.
Yes,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.